Hey, how we doing, folks? I'm here at Das Trucks. I got another walk around video for you. If you like what you're watching, folks, drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, we post every single one of these trucks walk around video here on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell icon so you could stay notified whenever we post. You'll be the first to know. But we've got a 2016 Chevrolet Express 4500. This is a 16-foot box truck with a ramp. It's loaded with features. It has 184,836 miles, and it has been fully reconned. And what we mean when we say that we fully reconned our vehicles is we go through the suspension, the braking, the engine, and the transmission. We make sure that all of those components are working to a crisp, including anything technological inside, all of that good stuff. We'll go ahead and get started here with the driver's side. Tires, which have plenty of life left on them. This vehicle's GVWR is going to be 14,200 pounds. Here's a good look at that chassis. Your wheelbase is going to be 177 inches. Now, of course, you got the dual rear wheels. And when I said loaded with features, I really meant it. We have a ramp here. You also have a backup camera up there, which I'll demonstrate once we get inside. And here is your box. You have two sets of E-tracks going all the way around. You do have kickboards as well. You've got shelving that is removable. And then you have that side door over there, fully aluminum box. You have your dome light up there, and you have the switch to toggle that inside. And we'll check that out as well. Really, really nice truck. All right, let's continue on to the passenger side. Just some quick history on this vehicle. Like most of these Chevrolet Express vans, the 4500's heavier duty. Usually they're bought as cab and chassis and then turned into the box truck we see today. Here's that side door. Just comes up like that. You can lock that as well. The key comes with like the rest of the key for this truck. The side door's width is going to be 3 feet. It's going to be 7 feet high as well. For more specific measurements, head over to the website and check out this vehicle specific listing. You'll find all that good stuff there. So let's check out your interior. It's really in great condition. You don't have any rips or tears on these seats. And we'll go ahead and jump on in, start her up, and go through the features. No lights on the dashboard. Here's your 184,836 miles. Right on. So you do have cruise control. Over here, you've got a 6-inch Pioneer display touchscreen radio. If you're into that. This does have Bluetooth connectivity. As you can see, you could also turn off the display if you'd like. And you connect your phone via Bluetooth there. You've got an aux cord as well, and you can also view your backup camera through here like that. Awesome stuff. All right, we'll get you guys a better look here at the dash and everything. Oh, you can also constantly just have a view of that rear camera if you'd like. I know for some drivers that might be helpful. And then that's where you turn on those dome lights inside the box that we mentioned earlier. just over here, you'll find your 12-volt ports. Pretty standard stuff. You've also got a plug-in right over there. All right, let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, your engine's gonna be that beast 6-liter GM Vortec 6000 V8. This is coupled with that 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Now, as mentioned before, all the filters and fluids have been checked and replaced if deemed necessary. Here's a good listen for the engine. All right, that will wrap it up for today's 2016 Chevrolet Express 4500 16-foot box truck with the ramp and the shelves. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, please head over to our website. You'll find the full entire listing. In the description of this video, you'll find a short little information section about this vehicle. You'll also find the link to our website, and you'll find a phone number. You can go ahead and give us a call anytime you'd like. And we can answer any specific questions you may have of this vehicle, provide some more photos, videos, all that kind of sort of stuff. If you'd like to find out some more information about financing, that's also possible. All right, folks, well, thank you all very much for watching. Have a great one. Take care.